Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. I have fond childhood memories of visiting Udupi restaurants in Mumbai and where in the thali they would serve this yummy Bhindi ki sabzi. I have tried to make that sabzi today. So for this we are roasting peanuts, dry coconut and dry red chillies and adding to a mixer along with tamarind, salt and some jaggery. Powder it and keep it aside. And take a heavy bottomed kadai and temper some mustard seeds and jeera. Add okra and make sure it is cooked very well and then add one chopped onion. Here, please note that I have not added the onions before. I am adding after the okra is cooked. This is because the okra will turn crisp and then when we add the onions, it will add some softness to it. Then add some spice mix. I have given all the recipe details below too in the description box. Cover and cook on a low flame. And now let's add the powder that we made. And we are done. Do try it out. Thank you so much for watching Desilicious Kitchen. See you soon with another video.